So let's proceed to the central limit theorem of for sample means. Uh, the central limit theorem for sample means says that if you keep drawing larger and larger samples, like rolling 1, 2, 5, and finally 10 dice and calculating their means, the sample means for their own normal distribution. The normal distribution has the same mean as the original distribution and variance that equals the original variance divided by n. The sample size n is the number of values that are averaged together, not the number of times the experiment is done. So, sa central limit theorem, sample for means says that kumaga sinasabi dito na kung patuloy ka lang sa pag-draw ng larger and larger na samples, tapos yung calculation niya is maging yung tapos i-calculate mo yung means nila, tapos the sample means from their own normal distribution is kumbaga yun yung normal na distribution. Tapos this is the sample of the this is the sample of the central limit theorem for sample means sa module. Kagaya nga kanina, na-explain ko sa inyo kung paano mag-calculate yung mean, kung paano natin kukunin yung mean. Tapos ito yung mga sample niya kanina, sa sample niya ngayon. Tapos ganito naman yung graph na gagawin sa ano. Tapos let's proceed. Tapos dito sa case na to, paano ba natin makukuha yung 0.6997? Tapos paano ba natin siya i-calculate? Sa case na to, kailangan natin gumamit ng calculator na TI-83 or 84, or mas kilala sa Texas International Calculator. Sa case ko, nag-download ako ng application na TI Smart View for the TI-84 Plus trial version. Tapos paano ba natin to kukunin tong 0.6997? Ito yung mga sample na binigay sa atin. Yung 85 is yan yung sample size. Yung 92, yan yung sample mean. Tapos yung 90 is yan yung standard deviation. So, paano ba natin siya i-calculate? Paano ba natin siya kunin yung 0.6997? Ganito lang yan. Open your TI Smart View Calculator. Tapos, i-put natin siya sa normal CDF mode. So, paano natin gagawin yun? I-click lang natin tong second, then bars. Tapos, maraming selection na yung lalabas. Diba? Maraming selection yung lumabas. Tapos, select natin yung normal CDF. Click lang natin yung 2. So, yung lalabas na siya. Tapos, i-put lang natin yung 85, comma 92, comma 90, comma, tapos ilalagay natin yung wait, tapos ilalagay natin yung 15 divided by square root of 25. Paano ba tayo maglalagay ng square root dito? So, press lang natin yung second kasi blue yung ito yung shift yan yung shift ng calculator natin. Yan yung second. Click lang natin yung second. Tapos yung square root. Tapos lagyan natin yung 25. Tapos solve. Tapos ang lumabas is 69, 97. Tapos ganyan lang yung sample na ganyan lang kasimple yung pag-calculate ng problem dito sa central limit theorem for sample means. So hanggang dyan lamang po yung report ko. Maraming salamat.